So he showed me StreetMix. I cloned the GitHub repository and kind of dove in trying to figure out what the code is doing and how we could get it to change what we need to do. When you're starting on a new project, it can be a little daunting because you don't know why things were done and you don't know where things are doing things that you need to change. So you kind of just have to like get in there and do it piece by piece. And when I dove in, the technical that he was talking about was a little shocking, I guess. There's about 70 JavaScript files just for the front end stuff, and it's spread across 8 different directories. And most of the functions and variables were global, which if you're a developer, you know, like kind of frowned upon, it makes it really hard to understand, like, and keep certain parts of the code together. And so that was a pain. It's a lot easier to mess things up too if you're changing stuff. So once I kind of find out, like, the first goal was to change the default street configuration and make sure that the width doesn't change. Going back to the real world constraints that Dr. was talking about. So once I figured out how to change the default street and remove some features, I there we go. I added this submit menu at the top left, which is basically adding the, it asks for the age and the zip code and whether you're downtown a resident or a downtown business owner, and added a little welcome menu and remove some of the features that we thought would distract from our goals, which is just get data and get it as simple as possible. So after we did all the development, I spun up a server and put it on streetplan.org, and then came the event, and I'll let Mike and Tammy talk about that in a little bit. And then a few months after that, Dr. Riggs was talking to me about like what a phase 2 of this project would look like. Like, what if we got this working for other cities? How could that work? And I took a look at the GitHub code again and realized that Lou and others had done quite a bit of work cleaning up the code. And in particular, they moved a lot of the code to ES6 modules and Browserify and started on some React stuff. And React is what I'm interested in lately. And so I really wanted to contribute a little bit back to it and start working on working small parts of the code to React components piece by piece, and graduating to larger components as we found time. Lou and I worked on weekends and like after hours on weekdays, but we're still not done. So we're looking for help if you guys are interested, if developers in the crowd. We'd love some help. Yeah, and I think with that, I'll let Dr. Buzzwell speak about the actual event.